In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted user account in Google Admin Console. If a user was removed by mistake, you can usually bring them back as long as it's within Google's recovery window, which is typically about 20 days from deletion. You'll need to be signed in with an admin role that can manage users, such as a super admin or a user management admin. Start by opening your browser and going to the Google Admin Console at admin.google.com, then sign in. On the Admin Console homepage, look for the section labeled Directory. This is where all user and group management happens. Click Directory, then choose Users to open the full list of accounts in your organization. On the Users page, open the More Options menu. From there, select Recently Deleted Users. This view shows accounts that were removed recently and are still eligible for recovery. You'll typically see the primary email, the deletion date, and other basic details that help you confirm you're in the right place. If you have a long list, use the search box or filters to narrow it down. Filtering by name or email and reviewing the deletion date makes it easy to identify the correct account, especially in larger organizations where many changes happen each day. Once you've located the user you want to restore, select that account. Double-check the primary email and the deletion date so you're sure you're recovering the correct person. When you're ready, click Recover. A confirmation prompt will appear to summarize what's about to happen. Review it, then click Continue to finalize the recovery. Give it a moment for the change to complete. After recovery, the account will move back into your active users list. The user's access to Google services tied to your domain will be reinstated, and if recovery is within the allowed window, much of their data should come back as well. If needed, consider prompting the user to update their password and review any security settings. It's also a good idea to verify organizational unit placement, app access, and group memberships so everything matches your policies. If you don't see the account in recently deleted users, it may be past the recovery window or you might not have sufficient permissions. In that case, check your admin role or consult your organization's primary admin or Google support. That's the whole process. You've learned where to find recently deleted users and how to restore the right account safely and confidently.